has always been more than battles. It's the cry of a mother as her son marches away. It's the silence of a city waiting under the shadow of missiles. And it's the soldier on the front line, wondering if the next sunrise will be his last. But war also evolves. Every generation reshapes it, not just with steel and fire, but with choices that decide who lives and who doesn't. This is the evolution of modern warfare and the human cost that comes with it. Chapter 1. From mass destruction to precision. Before victory meant burning whole cities, World War II saw bombers flatten Dresden, Tokyo, Hiroshima. Millions died faceless deaths. Today, one drone can strike a single window. That sounds cleaner. But think of the pressure on the commander, who knows one wrong coordinate could erase a family. Precision is not just technology. It's the unbearable weight of moral choice. Chapter 2. Seeing everything. Soldiers once fought blind. Now, satellites and drones watch every move. A patrol today carries not just rifles, but tablets streaming live feeds. A lieutenant can see through walls, track footsteps in the dirt, hear whispers across mountains. But imagine being that soldier. You see danger before it comes, yet you also see the faces of those you're ordered to fight. War becomes hyper-clarity and unbearable humanity. Chapter 3. The machines that save lives and replace them. Every soldier fears one thing: not coming home. Unmanned drones, bomb robots, medevac drones. They exist to cut those odds. A machine enters the minefield, not your brother. But when that machine fires a missile, who carries the guilt? A joystick operator, thousands of miles away, or the commander who gave the order? The line between saving and killing blurs. Chapter 4. Cyber. Wars without smoke. No bombs. No tanks. Yet suddenly a hospital loses power. A child on a ventilator cannot breathe. That's cyber war. It's invisible, bloodless at first, until you realize real people pay the price. A keystroke can kill as surely as a bullet. And that makes the battlefield everywhere. Chapter 5. The lifeline of soldiers. Logistics. You never hear about the driver hauling food at night, the medic helicopter racing the clock, or the mechanic printing a spare part in a tent. But without them, no army fights. Logistics isn't glamorous, it's survival. The soldier who eats, the wounded who reach a surgeon, the unit that gets fuel in time. They're alive because unseen hands kept them alive. War evolves, but the lifeline remains human. Chapter 6. The Sea of Ghost Fleets. Navies once built giants, carriers, battleships, floating empires. But a single missile can sink a billion-dollar vessel. So the new Navy scatters like shadows. Small, fast, uncrewed ships striking together. For sailors, that means fewer die in one fiery blast. Yet it also means more young men and women are stretched thin across oceans. Always a target, always alone. Chapter 7. Shields before swords. Think of a mother in a city. A siren wails. She has minutes to grab her child. Will a missile defense system buy her that time? Sometimes, technology isn't about killing, it's about saving. Interceptors, radars, warning systems. They don't end wars, but they give civilians a chance to survive them. That is the most human victory war can allow. War evolves. Steel becomes code. Armies become networks. Machines take risks once born by flesh. Yet one thing never changes: the human heartbeat behind every headline. A commander deciding who to strike. A medic deciding who to save first. A family praying their soldier comes home. These are the real engines of war. And as long as war exists, the greatest question will not be what technology can do, but what humanity chooses to do with it.